Right, I'm going to show you how to make what is probably the easiest barbecue sauce ever, and we're only using 3 ingredients. Okay, we're using 1/4 cup of runny honey, any runny honey will do. We're using a cup of ketchup, any ketchup, and we're using Worcester sauce. So basically all we're going to do is into a bowl, 3 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, a cup of ketchup straight in, and 1/4 cup of honey. And then all we're going to do is mix. And that's it. That's our barbecue sauce. Okay, so what are we going to do with our barbecue sauce? Well, we can cook some chicken. When it's nearly cooked, we can just glaze with our brush. Or maybe if you don't like the chicken, maybe you can put it on maybe corn cobs when they're cooked rather than using the normal butter. Maybe glaze it or brush it onto some vegetable kebabs. Or, because we're not using any raw ingredients, you can use it as a dipping sauce. So maybe dip your chips, dip your poppadoms, dip your prawn crackers. You can dip whatever you like. You can do whatever you like with this glaze. It's so easy. 3 ingredients. Enjoy.